we go. Hi. So we were just shopping at, should we say where?
At the drugstore.
At the drugstore. And we were like going through all the things, because obviously Catherine's pregnant. We were going through all the things that in the beginning days that you actually need. People forget to tell you.
Yeah.
Like they tell you to bring baby diapers and baby wipes. So what about the stuff that what's some
no one
moms,
talks about?
Like the
no
mom
one
stuff.
talks about.
It's crazy. My friend just had a baby and she's just like, wow, you cannot prepare until you're in it. And there's so much that I don't know.
And then you end up at the drugstore, or you send your husband to the drugstore because she's like,
daily.
Oh, I need this.
Yes.
So we're gonna give you quick some insider tips.
So this is for like hospital and also just like things that you have at home when you get home with the baby.
Yeah, and you know what they don't?
Let's
I
start
didn't
with
get. Okay, so hospital. Are we starting with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Depends. Okay. They're going to tell you to bring pads, but they're not going to tell you how much absorbency you need. Guess what?
lot.
Forget the panty liners, honey.
Yeah.
You need something big. And why not go with the whole just like underwear thing? You don't want to ruin your underwear. Just put these in the beginning. You'll just
For the first few days. And it actually feels comforting to have something against there. They give you like these massive pads in the hospital.
Yeah.
They're thick, but they're the most comfortable thing because they put an ice pack in them.
Wow, I didn't get that.
You didn't?
Ice pack for your man. Everybody gets different treatment in the hospital. Catherine loves Depends. She wears them all the time.
No.
Okay.
Or if you go
If you don't want Depends because you're too embarrassed to buy them at the
get the
drugstore.
thick kind, not the thin kind. Go thick. Because
I remember
again,
people being like, I wouldn't need something this thick. Yeah,
you do.
Yeah, you do.
Wear it. And it's even for the first like week. It can go up to 6, but yeah, start that.
Breast pads, you need them and you need lots of them. There are reusable ones, which I think are genius, but I personally never used. I just used the disposable ones.
Yes.
But you need them because you're gonna leak through your shirt. And it also, it's so nice having them because your nipples are so sore, but just have a
raw
soft pad on them. It's really nice.
And
Make
if
sure
you
have
get
lots.
engorged cabbage, just have cabbage in your fridge and you put those cabbage on your knockers because they're huge. And it
hard
works.
like rocks. And the cabbage, it's not, here's the thing, a lot of people think that it's just like a cool cabbage leaf. It's actually the enzymes in the cabbage that help with the
I have to put our
engorgement.
camera down. Hold on, come over here. There we go. Now
Okay,
we got
so
there.
definitely that. An aspirator, the kid's nose get all snotty and you don't know how to get it out because they don't know how to
I
blow.
actually had a friend who was breastfeeding the colostrum, and the baby ended up barfing, and the colostrum got stuck up their nose for real. And the baby they can't breathe out of their mouths. They don't know
yet.
They don't know yet. So she was freaking out because the baby was going blue. So they had to suck out the nose with the aspirator.
I recognize someone in here. Keep
And
going.
they always said hi to
no,
us.
we're gonna say hi to. Okay, next thing.
just curious.
Tucks. This is Catherine just told me about this now. I've had 4 kids and I didn't know this tip. I guess I'm gonna have to have another one so I can actually use it. Go.
Because you didn't have stitches. I had 50 stitches inside and out, so this wiped. Okay, give me 1 minute. Someone thinks we're stealing. We're not.
She definitely is checking up on us.
Okay.
Next thing. We both actually ended up using
Wait, can I just finish Tucks?
Oh,
so
Tucks.
it's like, can I say lubricant? But it's because you don't want to do toilet paper when you've had like 50 stitches. So
It's like dry cotton.
yeah. So if you do the Tucks, it's got like
Antibacterial.
antibacterial, and it just is smoother. And there's a lot of blood down there, so it just.
And also, if you happen to have a hemorrhoid, which is totally normal,
Yeah.
it will also help with that.
Yep,
2 in 1, 3 in
Oh,
1.
you should get preparation H. And a ring. Sit on a ring. They're like the blow-up rings because I could not sit down. I couldn't sit down for a week. So it like took the pressure off sitting down.
I hear you. Okay, this is back in the day I used the like Evian one, but you can't really often you can't get up to like go and wash your face and do all that stuff. This is the water spray that just makes you feel fresh.
Yeah, when you have an epidural for like 25 hours like I did.
You just spray your face and you just feel moist and you feel fresh
Your
and clean.
armpits. Okay.
Okay.
That's a good one.
Okay. Also, this is Restorelax. This softens your stool, right? Because it's hard after you have a baby to push.
And you don't want to push, especially if you have stitches. It's so scary. You sit there and you're like, I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. And you feel like your whole vagina is going to fall out of your body. So this is so gross. Considered I'm 5 months pregnant. I'm thinking about this. You want to just be able to lightly push and have everything come out.
Other thing that's really nice is to have
And
a
they
good...
don't let you leave the hospital until you've tooted. Remember, you couldn't eat
I
until
don't remember that.
you pee and pass gas.
Oh, it's the worst. You're like so nervous to go to the bathroom for the first time. Hand cream, a nice hand
And body cream, and body cream.
Your
It's like-
skin gets so dry and,
And when-
itchy. So itchy.
And when you come off the epidural, you feel like you're on drugs.
Yeah, and it makes you feel good. And then the last thing is just, small packages of shampoo and conditioner if you can. She was unable to shower while she was there, but for me, I was just like desperate and I was able. So I went and had showers each time and just make sure that you have shampoo and conditioner because the stuff that pumps out of their stuff,
No,
you don't
this
want that. And that's it. I mean, there's so many more things, but those are a few things that people never told us, and they are super helpful.
We'll add the rest to the list.
So there you go.
Okay, bye.